we're going to do some maintenance on the Sakura D5 that I built in the build video. And I'm going to go over some of the modifications a little bit. Alright guys, this is my Sakura D5 and this is what I've done. I have the RWD spec arms from Trackstar. I got from Hobby King for $9. And they make a huge difference on the front of these cars to actually soften it up and give it the right spring rate, because you're able to adjust the ratio on the counter lever. Let's see. I'll try to find an old clip of the old electronics in here so that you can see the difference. But I've wired in the Trackstar ESC and speed control, all with this 12 gauge green wire. And really that's about it. I have my new magnetic ballast system that I'm going to be launching next week. I'll put a link to that below. And yeah, that's about it. Now I'm going to prep this body for my next build, which I will do when I get my new desk coming in a couple of weeks. So look for that next build video. It'll be another Sakura D5. And I'll be putting this body on it. I will be using my old one to mock it up.